It's done. I was hoping these are pretty thin, so I was hoping I wasn't going to have to scrape them off. But they're on there good. I don't want to damage them. I'm going to have to break out the razor blade. So for my Harry Potter fans, these are Hogwarts Bookmarks. They do have a texture to them, so they may leave some marks in the book if you slam them in there. But they're pretty cool, aren't they? I think they're pretty slick. One more here. Nope, that one's a little fuzzy. I found the Hogwarts bookmark set inspired by Harry Potter on MakerWorld.com. It's by C3D. Go check it out.